Hi, I'm Katharina and today I'm talking to you about our very special rings, the New Dimension, and the BTS and the New Dimension BTS rings. Now let's start with the BTS. The BTS stands for Beyond the Sky. It is a wired, twisted ring and then hammered. And so what the hammering is doing to the ring is it adds to the property of attracting monoatomic particles from the universe, from the atmosphere, and this is speeding up the healing process. And those have two functions depending how you use it, like Slim had it on his head as headband, and you can have it one way that you bring in the information from higher source, or the other side may help you getting information from Mother Earth, from the Earth's energies. So people use that for healing. It has much more oomph than the standard rings, and it's one of the favorite of our healers. It comes in 1.5 sacred and lost cupid, either silver or 24K gold plated. Now the New Dimension ring, this ring is twisted wire, and you might not see it, but you can see it in the picture below. Or on our website, which is lightlifetechnology.com, and that's LIGHT technology.com. Now the New Dimension wire is twisted and twisted again, so you have a double twist. And what's special about this ring, it is much higher in the frequency, and it's not only working inside of the ring like all our other rings, it's also having an energy around it. So, and it seems to have a really stabilizing as well as grounding energy to it. And again, it comes in half, in 1, and what I'm wearing right now is a 1.5 sacred cubit New Dimension ring. So you can wear it as jewelry, and it can help you to stay grounded as a beautiful side effect. Now the New Dimension also comes at BTS, and that means it's hammered, and it's also a beautiful quality. Now those rings are for our healers and people who have experience with our tools and want to go to the next level. And those 3 types of rings, we have a limited edition, and they are on 25% discount right now. Now for those of you who have, I'd rather stay with the standard for now, if you get any of the 3 of the standard rings, you get a 4th one for free for less or equal value. So, and if you want to learn more about it, I invite you to come to our workshop. And I'm teaching the next workshop the end of April here in our office in Colorado. And you not only get to experience all the tools, you get to learn our new, very new stuff that is not on the website yet and won't be there for a while. And you get to see our shop where everything happens. And so you know exactly everything is proudly made in the USA. And please come and learn more about our Light Life tools.